Yes. Yes, any doubt? Any other doubt?
Ma'am, why the pulmonary artery carry oxygenated blood and the pulmonary vein carry deoxygenated blood?
Pulmonary vein carry deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary vein. The name is a pulmonary vein because it arises from the artery's name is given, which arise from heart. है ना? And the pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood. हमने कहा pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated means it carry the impure blood into the lungs for purification. But the pulmonary vein after purification carry pure blood into the heart that come out from the lungs. So that arise from the other organ. Today, during the heart, again I will explain. Pulmonary artery, name is artery, but carry deoxygenated blood because artery name is given because it arises from the heart and carry from the lab, carry the impure blood into the lungs for purifications. Okay, and after the purification, pure blood, the veins arise. This is the pulmonary vein from the lungs come into the heart, and in which the pure blood is present yet deoxygenated because in lungs the CO2 is removed, O2 is come. Okay, yes. Any more doubt?
No,
Ma'am, how
ma'am.
much blood pump in our heart, our body?
Pardon? Today I will take that topic. How much blood pumped by the heart? Yes. Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes, any other doubt? No? No doubt? Okay. Today I am taking our today topic. What is that? That is called I already taught you about that, the blood vessels. You know very well, beta, about the blood vessels. Three types of blood vessels are there. You know about that arteries, second is called the veins, and third is called the capillaries. Now I am going to ask you some question about that. Why in arteries wall absent? Why in artery wall absent?
Ma'am, because in arteries the blood is circulated by heart and it goes to the blood goes to the other parts by the heart and it does not have to cross the gravitational force.
Or in the arteries, the blood flow pressurely because the heart pump blood that will come in the artery. Okay. Yes. Next question is there. What is that? Uh, why the capillaries have a single membrane and the small pores are present in which membrane? Why are they?
Ma'am, so
Why?
as the diffusion can take place and the gases exchange can take place.
Right. Okay. Now, next question. Why blood is red in color?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
because of hemoglobin.
Because hemoglobin, that is a red color pigment. Okay. Now today topic I am taking, what is that? The human being heart. Hai. Before that, I am taking in fishes, two chambered heart are present, or I will take later also. In reptilia or in amphibian, three chambered heart is present. In fishes, beta, two chambered heart is present. In reptilia or amphibian, three chambered heart is present. You know, reptilia and amphibians require the less energy, and the three chamber heart is present. That's why pure and impure blood mix together. So these animal beta cannot maintain their body temperature. What is that? In reptilia and amphibian, three-chambered heart is present. That's why pure and impure blood is mixed. So these animals cannot maintain their body temperature. Their body temperature change beta according to environment. How it is changed? Body temperature change according to environment beta. That's why these animals are hibernate during winter season. You know, during the winter season, snakes, frogs, they all go in burrow. They all go in burrow, stop their all metabolic activity. Why? Because the pure and impure blood is mixed. That's why these all animals are hibernate. In human being, when we will talk, listen me. In human being, heart is a conical, muscular, double pumped structure. In human being, heart, conical, muscular, double pumped structure. Okay, double pumped structure that bring about circulation of blood. That bring about circulation of blood by its pumping activity. That brings about circulation of blood by its pumping activity. Okay, in human being, heart is 12 centimeter in length and 9 centimeter in breadth. 12 centimeter in length and 9 centimeter in breadth. Okay, where heart is present, beta? Heart is present in thoracic cavity. Heart is present in thoracic cavity, in between two lungs. Feeling slightly left due to forcible pumping of pumping of apical and ventricle portion of heart. Again, I am repeating. What is that? Heart is a feeling of the presence of heart on the left side due to forceful beating of beating of the apical and ventricular region of heart. The apical portion and ventricular region of heart, forceful beating is there. Beating means contraction and relaxation is there. So it feels slightly left. And what is the weight of our heart? Our heart weight is 300 gram in male. And in female, how much it is? 250 gram. It is it? In female, it is 250 gram in weight. Now, next thing I am taking, what is that? You know, heart is surrounded by the two membrane. That is called the pericardium. What is the name of the membrane? Pericardium. This is called the outer pericardium, beta. And the second membrane is called the inner pericardium. What is the name? Outer pericardium or inner pericardium. Okay. What is the function of membrane? In between these two membrane, pericardial fluid is present. What is present? Pericardial fluid, beta. Okay, are you getting my point? Yes, in between two membrane, fluid is present. That is called beta pericardial fluid. What is the function? Protect from energy, protect from injury, or protect from friction. In between the two membrane, the liquid is there, so no friction take place. And it also protects from injury. When you fall down, when you are running, when you are jumping, your heart is protected because it is surrounded by two membrane. Okay, are you getting my point? Yes, are you getting my point? How can you learn that heart working? When you correlate with your body part, beta. When you think how our heart is pumping, how many chambers are present in which, easily you can learn. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Are you getting my point? Yes. Listen me. Now the next. In heart, in human being heart, 4 chambers are present. The 2 upper small chamber, thin walled. 2 upper small chamber, thin wall, called the arteria or atrium. Auricule, that is also called the auricles or arteria. What is the name? Auricles or arteria. And lower 2 bigger chambers are called ventricle. Lower 2 bigger chambers are called ventricle. Right hand side auricle is called the right hand side auricle, and left hand side auricle is called the left hand side auricles. Okay, and listen me. The right hand side auricle is separated by right hand side ventricle by the septa, that is called the interauricular septa. What is the name? Interauricular septa. And left hand side ventricle separated by the right hand side ventricle through the septa, that is called the intraventricular septa. Are you getting my point? Total 4 chambers are present in the heart. How many are? 4 chambers are present. So these all chambers are separated. Listen. Now the one more important thing. Right hand side heart, right hand side auricle open in the right hand side ventricle beta by the help of valve. What is the name? That is called the tricuspid valve. What is the name? Tricuspid valve. So the blood comes from auricle to ventricle. And in left hand side, in between the auricle and ventricle, wall is present. That is called the bicuspid wall. It is also called the mitral wall. What is the name? Mitral wall or bicuspid wall. Okay, listen me. Listen me. You already know. Up now, with the help of the diagram, I am going to explain you how many chambers are present in heart. So for that, look here, beta. Yes, I think diagram is visible now. Yes, diagram visible. Listen me. Now I'm going here. Wait. This one diagram is also here. And I'm going to explain you with the help of the other small other diagram is also. Listen me. Okay, look here. This diagram is totally visible, beta. Yes, completely visible here.
Yes, ma'am.
Full diagram is visible.
No, ma'am.
Yes, now it is visible, I think. Yes. Yes, beta. My pen is here. Okay. This one. In heart, the 4 chamber. First of all, I am taking. In heart, 4 chambers are present. The heart is a fish shaped. One point is left. You know, heart is fish shaped. Which shape? Fish shaped. And heart is present in the thoracic cavity. You already know about that. Okay, you already know about that. The heart is present in the thoracic cavity. Yes, heart is a fish shaped. Yes, now I am taking this one here. Look here. In heart, the 4 chambers are there. 2 upper chambers are called the auricle. The right auricle and second is called the left auricle. And the lower side, right ventricle, and this one is called the left ventricle. Now listen me. Heart is surrounded by the wall. That wall is called the pericardium. Outer pericardium, beta, and second is called the inner pericardium. What is that? Outer pericardium and second is called, it is visible na beta fully? Yes, beta, full diagram is visible now na? Yes, give me reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen me. Right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. Listen me. Right hand side auricle is separated by left hand side auricle by the intra-auricular septa. What is that? Intra-auricular septa. This is called intra-auricular septa. And and left hand side ventricle, right hand side ventricle separated by the left hand side ventricle through the septa. That septa is called the intraventricular septa. Septa. Okay, so the right hand side blood is not mixed with the left hand side blood. Same in ventricle also. Okay, you know the auricles are the less muscular, but the ventricles are more muscular, beta. Auricles are less muscular, but the ventricle are more muscular. Listen me. Next point I'm taking here, the pericardial fluid present in between the two membrane that protect from the injury. It is also protect from the frictions. Okay. Ab you know, from the different part of the body, the blood is being in the right. Yani first of all, what you will write for learning? In right hand side, impure blood is present. Which type of blood? Impure. When you will write, easy for learning. And left hand side, pure blood is present. Pure blood present in left hand side, impure blood is present in right hand side. Okay, in right hand side, the two vena cava bring impure blood in right hand side of auricles. Which superior vena cava? Superior vena cava bring the blood from the upper portion of the body. And second is called the inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava bring the blood from lower portion of the body and middle portion of the body. Are you getting my point? Upper portion, superior vena cava bring the blood from upper portion of the body into the right auricle, and inferior vena cava bring the lower portion or middle portion blood into the right auricle. Okay, in right auricle, the impure blood is present. Okay, up, listen me. From the right auricle, I already taught you. The right auricle open in the right ventricle by the valve. That wall is called the tricuspid wall. What is the name? This wall is called the tricuspid wall, by which blood come right auricle to right ventricle. You already know ventricles are muscular. Yes, more muscular. From the ventricle, blood by the pulmonary, from the ventricle, by the pulmonary artery. Which artery? Pulmonary artery. Artery, or you know, pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood. By the pulmonary artery, that blood supply into the lungs. Where it is supply? From the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, by the pulmonary artery, blood supply into the lungs. And in between the pulmonary artery, or in between the pulmonary artery or ventricle, the wall is present, and that wall is called the seminular wall. Seminular wall. What is that? Seminular wall. What is the name? L-U-N-A-R. 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 Semilunar wall. Yes, beta? Semilunar wall. Okay, and up, listen me. From the lungs, pure blood. After the purification from the lungs, pure blood supply into the left auricle. Where it is supply? Into the left auricle. By which? Pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery, that is the pulmonary vein, by the pulmonary vein, the pure blood come into the left atrium. Where it is come? It is come, visible na beta? It is come into the left atrium. My pen is here. It come into the left atrium. Okay, in left atrium, pure blood is present, bring by the pulmonary vein. Okay, and the left auricle is open into the left ventricle by the wall, beta. That wall is called the bicuspid wall. What is the name, beta? Bicuspid wall. Okay, and listen me, when the wall is open, pure blood come into the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle, the pure blood by the aorta, from the left ventricle, blood supply in different part of the body. Pure blood supply by aorta in different part of the body. Are you getting my point? Yes, you have any doubt? You can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Again, I am going to repeat. Just listen me. In human being heart, 4 chambers are present, beta. How many chambers? 4 chambers are there. Okay. Heart is fist shaped, beta. Where it is present? In thoracic cavity. Between 2 lungs, beta. Where it is present? In thoracic cavity. Between 2 lungs. Okay. Now listen me. Listen me. Next point. What is that? Between the 2 lungs it is present. In heart, 4 chambers are there. Upper 2 chambers called the auricle, small or thin wall. Lower 2 chamber, bigger, thick wall called the ventricle. Okay. Heart is surrounded by the 2 membrane, beta. That is called the pericardium. Outer pericardium, inner pericardium. In between the fluids present, is called the pericardial fluid. And what is the function, beta? What is the function? Protect from injury, protect from friction. Okay. First of all, what you will learn, in right hand side, every side impure blood is present, and in left hand side, every time the pure blood is present. Listen me, beta. In right hand side, impure blood from different part of the body, beta, bring by 2 vena cava. How much vena cava? 2 vena cava. Superior vena cava bring the blood from upper portion of the body into the right auricle, and the inferior vena cava bring the lower portion and middle portion blood into the right auricle, beta. And one more artery. What is that? The coronary. That bring the blood from the heart wall. Heart wall blood is bring by the coronary. Okay, coronary artery that bring the blood from heart wall. Okay, now next I am taking here. What is that? Listen me. From the right auricle, impure blood come into the right ventricle by the tricuspid wall, beta. And from the right ventricle, impure blood by the pulmonary artery. Impure blood by the pulmonary artery transfer into the lungs for purification, beta. After purification, CO2 remove, O2 add. Now oxygenated blood by the pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein, it come into the left auricle. In left auricle, pure blood is present, but bring by the pulmonary vein. Which vein is bring? Pulmonary vein. Now that pure blood come into the left ventricle by the wall, beta. What is the name? Bicuspid wall. What is the name? Bicuspid wall. And from the left ventricle, with the help of aorta, the blood supply in the different part of the body. Where the blood supply? The blood supply in the different part of the body by the aorta. Okay, listen me. Yes, beta, if you have any doubt, you can ask me question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question, beta. If you have any doubt, beta, you can ask me question. Yes, beta. Coronary sinus. The coronary artery is also called coronary sinus. Yes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes. Any doubt, beta? Give me reply. Any doubt? No.
I'm out.
Now again, video off karo beta apne. Yes, again I am going to explain you next topic. What is that? You know about the heart. What is a heart? In human being, 4 chambered heart is present. What are the part of the heart? Now listen me. Up how blood pump by heart. For issue is present. Yes, beta. Listen me. In heart, spatial nodal tissue is present. बेटा प्लीज अपना वीडियो बंद करो. In heart, spatial nodal tissue is present, and that nodal tissue is called the SAN, sinoarterial node, and AVN. है ना? Sinoarterial node, and it is also that is called the AVN node. ठीक है? The two type of node is present, sinoarterial node and AVN node. अब listen me. The sinoarterial node, या SAN, is also called, what is that? Pacemaker. So first of all, listen me. Where the SAN is present, where the sinoarterial node is present. Sinoarterial node present in right hand side auricle, in right hand side, in right auricle, in right upper side, right and upper side. Right auricle, right and upper side. Yani right auricle, right and upper side. It is present. Listen me. What happened? First of all, the all four chambers are in diastole condition. All four chambers means two auricle, two ventricle, both are in diastole condition. Listen me, beta. What is the meaning of diastole? Yes, diastole means relaxation, expansion. Systole means contraction. Systole means contraction, beta. Diastole means expansion. So first of all, during the pumping, all four chambers are in a diastole. In this condition, tricuspid, bicuspid valves are open. So blood comes from auricle to ventricle. Right hand side auricle to right hand side ventricle, beta. And left hand side auricle to left hand side ventricle, beta. And on that time, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, blood, by the pulmonary vein, blood come into the left hand side, and by the vena cava, blood come into right hand side auricle. Okay. After that, what happened? SAN, yani sinoarterial node, generate potential that is spread in both auricle. So both auricle contract, both arteria contract. This is called the systole. When the arteria contact, what happened, beta? When the arteria contact, what happened? In this condition, both semilunar walls are closed. Semilunar wall where present? One wall present between the pulmonary arteries and ventricle. Another wall present in aorta. That is called the semilunar aortic wall between the ventricle and aorta. The wall is present, semilunar aorta wall, and between the pulmonary artery, the pulmonary artery and the ventricle wall is present. That is called the semilunar pulmonary wall. What is the? Are you getting my point? Which is that? Semilunar aortic wall, or that is called the semilunar pulmonary wall. Semilunar pulmonary wall present in between the ventricles, or yani the ventricle opening guarded by the pulmonary artery, that is guarded by the wall. That wall is called the semilunar pulmonary wall, and the opening of the aorta is guarded by the wall. That wall is called the semilunar aortic wall. Okay. So in this condition, the both walls are closed. Okay, and the blood come into the ventricle. After some time, AVN, arterioventricle node, AVN, arterioventricle node, generate potential by the AV or Purkinje fiber or his of bundle. That potential transfer into the both hand side ventricle, beta. So the ventricle systole, ventricle systole. When the ventricle systole, what happened? Bicuspid, tricuspid wall closed, and due to the pressure, pulmonary, semilunar pulmonary wall and semilunar aortic wall is open, and blood by the right auricle, by the pulmonary artery supply into the lungs, and by the left ventricle with the help of aorta supply into the different part of the body. Okay, after some time, again, this is the one cycle. This is called the cardiac cycle. One cardiac cycle complete, beta, 0.8 seconds. How much time is required? Just 0.8 seconds. In 0.8 seconds, the one cardiac cycle is complete. Okay, listen me. Listen me one more important thing. What is that? Up, listen me again. Again, the all four chambers are in a relaxed conditions. And in which condition? You already know. What happened? Bicuspid, tricuspid open, and the blood come in left auricle and right auricle. In left come by the pulmonary vein. In right by the vena cava come. Semilunar wall is closed. Again, same SAN generate the potential. Again, auricle systole. Auricle systole, what happened? The wall, the semilunar wall, that is already closed. So blood come into the ventricle, and the wall, vena cava wall and another pulmonary vein wall are closed. Okay, listen me. Now, same process that is repeat continuously. This is called the cardiac cycle. What is the name? That cycle is called the cardiac cycle, and it required 0.8 seconds. One more important thing I'm going to inform you, beta. What is that? The rhythmic expansion and contraction of heart. Rhythmic contraction and expansion of heart is called the heartbeat. In both the question is come. How much time is required for the cardiac cycle? And what is a heartbeat, beta? Rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is called the heartbeat. And you know, heartbeat is contraction. I already explained you. Contraction means systole and expansion means diastole. You know, when the tricuspid, when the heart is pumping, the sound is produced lub and dub, L-U-B and D-U. L-U-B and D-U-P sound is produced. How the L-U-B sound is produced? L-U-B sound is produced by the closing of tricuspid and bicuspid wall, beta. And DUP, जिसे हम बोलते हैं dup. Dup sound is produced by closing of the semilunar pulmonary wall and semilunar aortic wall. Okay, okay. And how can we know the heartbeat? We can calculate the heartbeat. Yeah, we can measure the heartbeat with the help of a stethoscope. And in healthy male, per minute 70 to 72 heartbeat. Or in healthy woman, per minute 80 heartbeat per minute. Yani, how many heartbeat are there in the rate of heartbeat in healthy man is 70 to 72, and healthy woman is 80 per minute. Okay. अब इससे एक या दो कम है, उसमें हम जैसे 70 भी है तो भी that person is okay, और 80 है 79 है, that person, that heartbeat is okay. Are you getting my point, beta? Ab listen me. Heartbeat is controlled by the spatial nodal tissue. What is the name of that? SAN. SAN is also called the pacemaker that control the heartbeat. Okay, that is called the pacemaker. Yes, and I already taught you about that. The SAN is present in right auricle, right and upper side, and AVN is present in right auricle, left hand side, lower side, left lower side. Okay, any doubt, beta? You can ask me question. Yes, any doubt? You can ask me question, beta. Yes, any doubt? Yes, any doubt, beta? Tell me yes or no. Any doubt, beta? Tell me, beta, yes or no. If you have any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow again. I will repeat. Yes, beta? I think, beta, again, listen me one more important thing, what I'm saying to you. How can you learn bio? Bio is very easy. You can learn easily, beta. How can you learn? When you correlate with your body, how your heart is pumped, how many chambers are in heart, how the contraction and relaxation take place. Okay, easily you can learn. It is very interesting subject. Okay, okay.